So this is a demonstration of the timestamp scale symbol for PyVision. Is this one right here. And you basically just grab one value. It's more or less the same as a value tag in PyVision or CoreSight. Except the difference is the timestamp is on a color scale. So if it's fresh data, it'll be green. If it's old data, it'll be red. And the amount of time that'll take to turn red, so how old the data is, what determines its oldness, you can set in the configuration. So right now the value just got updated, so it's green again, but we can tell it how many minutes or how many days or how many hours would be considered old data. Right now, because we're just using Sinusoid, it's a pretty often updated tag, so you can see the difference more with 5 minutes, but if it was other data, maybe you would be worried and consider it stale data if it was an hour old. But you can configure that here in the settings. And yeah, that's it. We'll bring it down to 1 minute and it should update live. And this tag will turn red because it's now almost a minute old, which is what we told it is now considered an old value. If we make it up to 2 minutes, it should turn at least kind of a yellowish on the scale. Yeah, that's about it. This helps you determine fresh or old data.